Straighten them out. Oh yeah, get back over to that side.
Yeah.
So you got just a little diff hanger on the rear.
On the rear?
That's working for you though if you're cheating it that way. Back up a little bit, because you got that boulder underneath your rear axle. Okay, and now try to go a little bit further passenger as you come forward. Here, hold on. Yeah, keep going forward, see what happens. And back up passenger.
Well, I could always,
Yeah. You might be able to drive out of it there and turn around.
becomes a hill, like.
Yep. Yeah, you have to stay into it a little bit more than that.
Well,
Might be in the same. And stay in it right there.
that way?
Yep. And come back driver when you come up.